Press Sky on your remote to go to your recordings. You can quickly and easily move through recordings using your Sky Q remote. Press up and then left or right. To move to a particular point, press and hold on your Sky Q remote. Press play to start watching again. To delete an entire series, press Sky, go to Sort By, then A to Z, and find the series you'd like to delete. Swipe or press right and choose Delete All. To continue watching a show you haven't finished, or to find the next episode of a series you've recorded, press Home and go down to Continue Watching. You can find more by pressing Sky and going to Continue.